Welcome to Cruise Robot and our short tour of room 1568, a grand suite on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas cruise ship and one of our favourite cabins. So when you first enter the room, the bathroom is on your right. To the left are the bar, mini fridge, and the storage closets. So the bathroom is very large for a cruise ship bathroom. There are double sinks and a full-size tub and shower combo with deluxe toiletries, shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Your living room area has a full-size couch, 2 large comfy chairs, a coffee table and end tables. It has a small HD TV in the corner. The bedroom features a large king-size bed with end tables and lamps. Next to the bed is a very nice large dressing table. This room has a double wide balcony with room for a table, 2 chairs and a full-size lounger. Thanks for watching. We hope this short tour is helpful. If so, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet hit that subscribe button, now's your chance to jump on board. Farewell for now.